Hi guys, Matt Hanses here at Uplift Marketing. I'm super excited to be speaking at the upcoming PALOOZAversary. We're going to be going over 3 different topics. I think each of these are absolutely critical for practice owners. First, we'll be going over PR and marketing as relates to hiring. What should every practice be doing, not only to be giving the right message to potential candidates, but how do we get the ideal candidates magnetically drawn to the practice and reaching out to the practice, and how does that fit into a practice's overall PR and marketing picture? Next, we're going to be going over the digital machine that any practice should be doing in 2025. What are the pieces of marketing all practices should be doing? How you build and maintain the right reputation on the web? What do you do with a bad review? But more importantly, how do you get good reviews, and what does that do to your overall rankings on the web? Finally, this is what I'm most excited about, is we're going to be going over a video content creation workshop. We live in an era where everyone uses video, whether it's social media or YouTube, or whether or not we're using FaceTime or Zoom. Video is part of our lives. In fact, you're watching me right here on this video. And with ChatGPT and AI, it's even more important because anyone can just type something in and have a whole bunch of text that says really brilliant things. And so you just kind of skip those things now. Now that personal connection on video is more important than ever. Yet many practices are not only not using video, they don't even know where to start. What do they say? What topics do they talk about? How do they shoot? How does it work? How do they do something informal, but still make it great? These are all the things we're going to be answering in this workshop. It's going to be one of the most practical workshops you've ever been to. We're going to be working directly with practice owners and with staff. And we're going to be saying, this is how you shoot. And we're going to be critiquing and helping people with their videos, coming up with topics. And some people will probably actually walk directly out of the workshop with usable video they can immediately put into practice in their own organization and their own marketing. So I'm very, very excited about this one because it is a chance to really work with people on a topic that is so important for practices. So overall, it should be a blast. I'm very excited. I'm honored to be there. I love being part of the entire PEDS-A-PALOOZA community. And so if you haven't got your ticket yet, book your ticket. It's absolutely an incredible experience. And if you have, well, great. I'll see you there.